Let's talk about the best crypto network. Now, this is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So, listen, imagine waking up one day and realizing that you're on your way to becoming a millionaire. It sounds impossible, but it's not. And you could start learning today how to use your crypto to build your wealth. Now, crypto is a new kind of money that people around the world are using to grow their savings. Step one, learn about crypto. It's important to understand what it is and how it works. There's plenty of free websites and apps where you can just, read, watch videos just to help you get started. Step two, start using crypto.com. It's a great app where you can buy and sell different kinds of crypto safely. You can also track your progress and learn more as you go. It's easy to use and it's trusted by millions of people. Step three, once you're comfortable, you can begin to invest a small amount of money in crypto. Don't rush. Take your time. Make sure you understand what you're doing before you invest more. Only invest what you're not afraid to lose in case it goes down before it goes back up. And by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people already on crypto.com, get an account, sign up using my referral link in the description, because this way we could both get rewarded nicely.